Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 6 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now select alarm over here if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then you can set up an hour. After that, select ring once or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can choose repeat and pick days of the week. I will go with Mondays and maybe Fridays. Then go back, tap on alarm name over here and type wherever you wish to. Then save it by clicking on this blue icon on your keyboard. After that, click on the switcher next to snooze to disable or enable it and tap on ringtone. Now you can pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the chosen one and going back. You can also select from files over here and pick music from your device by tapping on the chosen one and going back as well. Then click on vibration and pick one of those vibration patterns for your alarm by clicking on the one that you want to set up and going back. You can also select no vibrations and disable vibrations completely. Go back and click on this icon at the top right corner of your new alarm pop-up, and as you can see, mine was successfully set up. If you wish to turn it off completely, you have to click on the switcher next to it and pick one of those options. If you wish to turn it back on, just click at the same one. If you wish to delete your alarm, you need to select edit at the top left corner, pick one of your alarms, like that one, and choose delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice by tapping on delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!